All right, let's take a start. Do you play any indoor games?
Yes, I play in childhood carom board indoor game.
My question is about present tense,
Yes, sir.
right? So not childhood. You are still a child.
Yes.
So do you play indoor games?
Yes, I play indoor game like cards with my friends at hostel.
This is a very short answer. Okay, you are not Shah Rukh Khan. So you should speak more. Do you like indoor games? Yes, I love to play games inside my house with my family members and sibling. My favorite game is carom, and I used to play this game in my childhood, and even now sometimes I play this game.
Yes.
Sanu na maar dein bhai. Air freshener hai, all right. Yasin daro mat bhai. Machhar wala nahi hai. Okay. Yeah, it's air freshener. Okay. All right. Okay, so let's go on. Do you prefer indoor games or outdoor games?
Mostly I prefer outdoor games because I like cricket and it's benefit our health.
It is beneficial for my health.
It's beneficial for my
Nazar aa
health.
raha hai mujhe ye. It's very beneficial to my health. Okay, therefore my favorite game is outdoor game, and I like cricket very much.
Yes.
Just speak more, right? Okay, let's go on. Do you play video games?
Yes, I play video games on mobile like PUBG, and I also play Call of Duty on mobile.
All right, okay. This answer is also short. Every answer contains one or two sentences. Yeah, so you should speak more. Is it good for young people to play video games?
Yes, it's beneficial for young people because it's help to teach strategies and build their skills.
It helps them to learn strategies
And building their skills.
and build their
That's
skills. So that is why for young people, video games are very good. Sometimes they improve their language by playing video games. Your answers are short. You need to add some more. At least 4 or 5 good sentences. Okay? Otherwise, examiner will say why, and on result day you will say hi. Okay? All right. Thank you.